How to fix iPhone not vibrating on silent mode. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the Settings application on your device. Tap on Sounds and Haptics and check for a few options there. Firstly, tap on Ringtone and then on the top you will see the option for vibration. Tap on that and make sure it is not set to none. Go back and now scroll down in Sounds and Haptics and you will see the option for Play Haptics in ring mode and silent mode. Make sure the toggle button for both of these are toggled on. Go back to Settings and now tap on General. Tap on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS for all the features to work properly. Go back and now tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your problem should have been fixed by now. Thank you for staying with us until the end.